morning and we're going to have a little trip down to the seaside. The campervan's loaded, just waiting on the rest of the family to be ready, and then we're going to have a little day trip down to Leon-Solent, nearby, about 20-minute, half-hour drive from us. The weather's a bit ropey, so hopefully it's not going to be too busy down there, and yeah, maybe not be swimming in the sea today, but hopefully be able to get down and throw some stones in. The boys love doing that, so see you on the road.
Okay, so we're on our way. We're going to try Titchfield Haven. Find a spot down there rather than Leon-Solent. The weather, as you can see, is not great, but we're still going to make a day of it. Cook up some lunch, some pasta in the campervan. Chris is driving with his funky hat on. And Isaac's in the back, and Edward is the one making the noise. And see what the day brings.
Right, here we are, all set up, near enough. Pop top off, up, and we're down at Titchfield Haven. Quite a bit of space. It's a bit wet, but only a bit drizzly. And we're going to start having lunch in a minute. So we're making a sort of open family staple today, cheesy pasta. Isaac and Edward could live on the stuff, and we're just going to add a few extra bits in for us, and corned beef and some tomato and spring onion for me and Nicole. Got the kettle on. We are running a bit low on water because I didn't fill it up since our last trip, but I think we've got just enough to get through today. And got some paddle boarders or kayakers out there. There's a campervan out the back. I think there's a few campervans down the beach. I don't think you can just make them out too bright. But we're not alone down here. Here it is, lunchtime. Everyone's got their cheesy pastas. Got some wet wipes on hand. I've got mine. It's got corned beef, tomato, spring onion in like Nicole. My boys just cheesy pasta. They'll probably have something after. I'm a hot coffee. Coffee.
You say pasta. Pasta. You want pasta?
Washing up time. Using hot water from the kettle. Our streaks out the tank. And the boys playing with a stone. Look out, mist is coming in. Can't see the Isle of Wight anymore. Still a few saily boats out there. All ready for a little walk. Isle of Wight's back. Fish people. And nature reserve. Lots of camper vans. Swimming area, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bit busier down here now. So motorhomes, I think some of these are liverboards. So not many places for them to stay at the minute. Can't think of a worse place to stay than down here. See our camper van down there. Nice lorry time from the camping freezer ice box. It's quite handy having that. Usually have an ice cream van down here, but there wasn't one today. But there was a little coffee van. Saves boiling the kettle again with just having a hot chocolate and a coffee from there. I did have a coffee earlier. Yeah, lovely spot right by the sea. Tide's going back out. A few sandflies about now. Right, we're all ready to go. Only about like 2:30, but boys are tired and they probably need a sleep. It's a nice day down here. Weather's not been too bad, still a bit rainy, but not wet enough to stop you getting out. There's the harbour over there, there is tea rooms over there, there is toilets, public toilets down there. Yeah, been a nice day. So see you again soon. Thanks for watching.